Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be installing my front lip. So I just got through jacking the car up. Super sketch. That's the highest I've ever jacked a car up in my life. The minivan was way heavier, so I couldn't jack it up that high. But the car is in the air. Let's get into the install. So previously I painted the front lip. I'm gonna insert some footage right now. It's Josh from the past. I'm not gonna bore y'all with me painting these front lips. I'm gonna go ahead and throw y'all in the time lapse and just get these boys knocked out real quick so I can put them on the car.
A few moments later.
As you can see, I kind of messed it up. There's a photo of it on the screen now, hopefully, and I did my best to fix it. So this is how it came out. In my opinion, it looks pretty dang good. So yeah, I mean, it is a garage paint job at the end of the day, but it does look pretty good. I already went to the hardware store, grabbed some hardware, and I'm gonna just start drilling holes and drilling holes and sticking this stuff up there. So hopefully everything goes good and swell. Alright, so the kit I ended up going with is a Yofer body kit. They do sell one called High Rev, or by a company named High Rev, but in my opinion they're both the same. They both cost reasonably the same price. I think they're like $125 to $180, so like almost the same price. I ordered a gloss black one, so I had to color match the top portion to my body color. And on the High Rev ones, they're actually all the body color on the side pieces, but I actually want to do a two-tone where the bottom half is black and the top half matches my color. So that's why I painted it. So in this box is actually the hardware and adhesive. It comes with 3M adhesive or eBay 3M adhesive. I don't trust this stuff. And then it comes with this trim that goes around the outside of it. I'm gonna actually run this because I like the way it looks. And then also some screws come in here and body clips. So as far as the install, we're gonna get started on that. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the body clips that hold the middle section up. I'm gonna hang that, and then I'm gonna line up the sides to make sure they fit. outside ones are easy to put on, but the inside ones are a little tougher. We're already off to a great start. It looks really good. I did buy some hardware to fasten this up, so that way it tucks it up, because right now it's hanging down. Now that I think about it, I might have to take all that back off and drill the holes for this, but at least I can do that off the camera. Now it's time to install the rest of the whip. This is going to be my favorite part because it's going to make the car look the best. It's going to finish it out. The reason I hung the middle one first is because it centers up the rest of these, and these just fall into place. One, because there's a mounting hole on it, and yeah, there's a mounting hole back here, and then they just fit up perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and put the adhesive on these, trim them out, and then clean the bumper and install them. That's it. That's all she wrote. I'm a little salty because I buffed that as much as I could, but it's still not shiny enough. This one's shinier. But that one, I buffed that one so many times. Still might have to buff it again. But camera looks good. So that's gonna do it for this video. I'm gonna throw in some footage of me doing a walk around of it once it's on the ground, and that's gonna be it. Thanks again for watching all the way to the end. It really helps me out. If you would, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment on this video so it gets it out there, the algorithm and stuff. I don't know how it works, but alright, so that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching all the way to the very end. I'm gonna go ahead and add some footage of it on the ground, because I'm actually going to do another video right after this one. But thanks again for watching all the way to the end. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you feel so inclined to. And go ahead and follow my Instagram, because I do post on there every 2 days, car photos and whatnot. So
thanks, have a good day.